Hello Kayami! Hope you have a great day! For this episode, I will be making Filipino style Beef Balbacua. Let's start by washing all the meats and bones until the water becomes clear. The beef tripe should be rubbed with salt to remove the funky smell. Let's parboil the meats and bones. Boil the water, then add ginger and the beef shank. We're doing parboiling to remove all the impurities of the beef meats and beef bones. Then wash the beef shank. Then do this with the beef feet and beef tripes. Please don't forget to add vinegar. In a big pot, arrange the beef feet, the beef shank, then add the lemongrass, green onions, shallots, crushed garlic, ground black pepper. Add the water enough to submerge all the ingredients, and to enhance the beef flavors, I added beef cubes. When the water is boiling, then set on low heat and slow cook the beef meats and beef bones for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After 5 hours, I added the parboiled beef tripes and continue slow cooking until fork tender. In a big pan or wok, add the oil, then immediately put the minced garlic. When the garlic is aromatic, add the shallots or any onions that you have. Season with freshly ground peppers and salt. Then add the red bell peppers and the green onions. Saute good all the ingredients before adding the beef meats. After good saute, then add the beef shanks and beef feet. Toast well to distribute all the good flavors to the meat and bones. Then add the pineapple juice. Then followed by the black beans, the pork and beans. This is an optional ingredient if your meat has a skin. I also added bay leaves and peanut butter. I used the creamy peanut butter to make the soup creamy. Then I'm adding the beef stripes. I slice into bite sizes. And to have a kick of spice, I added a big dash of chili flakes. You can also add wild chilies or siling labuyo. I taste, then I season with salt and freshly ground pepper. And to have umami taste, this is an optional step. You can add all-purpose seasoning like Magic Sarap or MSG if you like. To extend the life of balbacua, I put vinegar. Remember not to stir the soup. Allow the sour odor evaporate first. To add a good color to the soup, I put annatto seed in a strainer and put directly to the soup.
Tastes good!
Here's the Filipino-style beef balbacua. The recipe is from Cebu, Philippines. Let's eat, guys, with this beef balbacua. This is best to pair with bagoong or ginamos or fermented fish. Yum, yum! Pair with this bagoong. It's good. with bagoong or shrimp paste. Good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. This is good soup. It's creamy and yummy. Bye!